Good day mga ka-tech-savvy. Today ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng internet or LAN cable. So may dalawang klase ng LAN cable. Una, meron tayong straight cable or T56-8B at another cable, type ng cable which is crossover or T56-8A. Pero ang idedemo ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang T56-8B or ang straight cable. So, ano ba yung mga kailangan natin? Kailangan natin yung mga material. So, we have LAN cable, we have the crimping plier, we have the wire stripper, and cutter. So, paano yung gagawin natin? So, una, we have to prepare the cable. So, look at your cable, and then, kailangan natin siyang i-cut. Siguro mga 1 inch from the tip hanggang dito. Okay? So, you can use the wire stripper to cut the cover. Okay? Or, you can also use itong pliers to cut cover of the cable. So, make sure lang na maingat kayo kasi baka mahiwa yung wires. So cut it. Just twist the cable. Okay. So, ayan. Putol na natin yung cable. So, we have 4 groups of colors here. May semi-solid colors at meron ding solid colors. 4 different colors. We have orange, we have green, we have blue, and brown. So, kung may solid colors tayo, meron din tayong semi-solid colors. So, kailangan natin silang paghiwa-hiwalayin. Okay? So, cut muna natin to. Like this. So, first, paghiwalayin natin yung white-orange. Orange. So, si white-orange, siya yung magiging number 1 natin. We have 8 colors here. So, white-orange on your left, followed by solid color orange. Okay? Next naman yung white-green and yung green. Okay? Paghiwalay natin sunod, blue and white-blue. And the last part is white-brown and brown. So, itong kulay na to, i-assign natin siya 1 to 8. So, number 1 will be white-orange, followed by orange, followed by white-green. So, another semi-solid color. No? So, next dito, instead na green, we will use blue. Okay? So, number 4 si blue. And then, number 5, si white-blue, followed by green, which is number 6, and number 7, white-brown, and then number 8 is brown. So, kung makikita nyo, si white-green lang, which is number 3, at si green, which is number 6, ang hindi magkatabi. Okay? So, sila yung nagkaiwalay. Okay? So, ang technique dito, you have to press with your thumb yung mga lines para hindi sila mawala sa alignment. Okay. So, there. So, pag nag-group ng ganyan, pwede nyo siyang hilahin ng konti or press ng konti para mas maging maayos. So, we have to cut this para mailagay natin yung RJ45 or ang ating registered jack. So, by the way, merong dalawang klase ng RJ45. Meron yung pass-through at yung hindi pass-through. So, this type is pass-through. So, mas madali siyang gamitin. So, we have to cut this siguro 1/2 inch. So, we can use the crimping tool. Cut it 1/2 inch estimate. Okay. So, yun, nakat na natin. So, you can see I'm still holding the lines using my right thumb left thumb. So kailangan natin maipasok ito sa RJ45. So may 8 slots dito, may walang butas din, dapat hindi magkabali-baligtad. So be careful sa pagpapasok. So, and by the way, yung pagpapasok natin, kailangan yung knuckle nasa ilalim. So pasok natin, white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. So press it all the way, push it all the way. So makikita nyo, bago natin i-cream ulit, i-cream, so check muna. So yun pa rin, tama yung arrangement, okay. So gagawin na natin dito is, we have to cream using our crimping tool. So dito natin siya ipapasok, and itong ngipin na to, ito yung pe-press doon sa RJ45. So try natin. Okay, until you hear a snap, then it means it's locked. Okay, so ngayon lock na natin, okay na. So yung mga labis, kailangan lang natin yung i-cut using cutter. Okay. So there you have it. So meron na tayong straight cable. So ayos na, okay na yung ating straight cable. So sa kabila, ganun din lang ang gagawin sa kabilang dulo para magamit natin yung straight cable. Okay, so that's it. So for more videos, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.